everyone. Scott and Amy Sharkey from Sharkey's Greenhouses in Crewitz, Wisconsin. And we have Rob and Veronica and Ella and Emmett, their grandchildren. And we're in Suamico taking a look at their backyard. And it's very impressive.
A lot of time is obviously spent back here. So when did you start getting this infatuation with, or vision, I should say,
of transforming your backyard into this oasis?
We had the vision before we moved here.
Okay.
We saw the property. We knew what it could become, and we were driving to Oshkosh to buy stuff that we knew was going to fit in the yard. That we had to move because we didn't live here yet.
Sure.
So that was 10 years ago. We were already buying stuff that.
Oh my goodness. So we're going to take you through a little walk and see all the different unique little pieces, because just from seeing it from this point of view, you don't get to see just how much detail they put into this. So you pick up a lot of these different more of the metal pieces or the ceramics. You pick this up a lot on like Facebook Marketplace or resales, correct?
Thrift stores.
Side of the road. If there's something that looks good.
To reuse what someone else wants to throw in.
So there is a lot of talent that goes into just being able to piece this together so it doesn't look like just a lot of metal sitting around.
Yeah. She has the eye. She picks it up. I said, "What are you going to do with that?" She says, "Don't even try and tell me."
So as far as flowers, I know you have a lot of hostas going on. You do have a lot of shade areas. So most of your flowers tend to be more of the shade flowers.
Correct. Yes. All my annuals are mostly shade.
Yeah.
A couple little spots where the sun can poke through. There's a lot of trees, as you can see in the background.
Yeah.
But yeah, mostly shade, definitely.
Yes.
Right.
And it's a hot sunny day, and it's quite shaded in here. So it's very, very nice.
Exactly.
So how often are you watering?
Every couple of days, not every day, because we use liners with Easy Swap made for us, so it keeps things moist longer.
Okay.
So when it rains, I know I don't have to water for a couple of days.
Sure.
It's a couple-day process. Some of them are smaller, shallower pots, so of course maybe once a day. But
And then how often do you fertilize?
once a week.
Okay.
With
Oh, Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer? All right.
Shocking!
Glad to hear that.
yes.
So let's take and bring you through the garden, and we'll show you even some of the cute little things that are hanging in the trees, and just do a little garden walk with you today.
So you can see this area. This is a older wash tub, and Rob hooked up a pump and just recycles the water. So it was just something that somebody had come along and had and wanted to get rid of. So they said, yeah, absolutely. So it just makes a kind of a unique antique piece to highlight there right away when you come into the yard. Okay, this is one of Ella's favorite parts of the property, is your little garden that you take care of. So why don't you show us?
These are our red onions and tomatoes, cucumber. We've got green beans, and then a clematis over there. Some watermelon plants.
So what makes this your favorite portion of the garden?
Probably eventually, like when it gets bigger, we'll get to eat the green beans and the veggies. We'll snack on them.
So this is a creative way. If you have a tree that fell down or that you're trying to get rid of, they actually repurpose the trees themselves just as a little planter for some impatiens. So this just, I mean, it really kind of goes with this area, but it's just a creative, unique way to repurpose something that was going to be tossed away. Okay, Emmett, can you tell us a little bit about the pond here? What's in it?
So this is the koi pond.
And there's, how many koi are in there? Did you count them?
There's 7.
7, nice. And do you feed them every day?
Yeah, we feed them 3 times a day.
Okay.
Come take a look at this little she shed. It's Hickory Street because it's all hickory trees around here.
This is a fun place to hang out when we've got time from nut gardening.
So I hope you enjoyed our little tour here in Rob and Veronica's backyard. Veronica, why do you do this?
We do it because we love to garden and we want to share with others and influence the next generation.
That's awesome. That's what we need, is this next generation to get interested in growing the plants or flowers and enjoying it rather than being on their devices or whatever and getting in the backyard. So thanks so much for watching us. Bye-bye.